What's up, guys? I know I'm late to the game, but I just got this ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the mail and I want to try it out. I also got a few other things that I'll be trying out, so if you want to see this, just keep on watching. So starting off, I'm going to take ColourPop's Brow Boss in the color Dark Brown and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. So I do like how this product filled in my eyebrows. As you see, I don't need much because my eyebrows are pretty full. So now I'm going in with the concealer in Golden 40 and I'm going to clean up my eyebrows. I am loving this concealer so far. It's very full coverage. Later on you will see me use it to conceal under my eyes, but I'm loving it already just on my eyebrows. And for $6, I feel like I am about to stock up on this seriously. This might be my new favorite concealer. So I put on my foundation off camera because I don't have ColourPop foundation. I don't think they have one. So I'm going to go in and conceal with that Golden 40. I could have used a concealer for foundation, but I didn't get my skin tone. So maybe I'll try that in another video. I love this concealer. Love. This is seriously giving my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer a run for its money. So now I'm going to use a darker concealer in the color Deep 70 to contour with. I am really going to stock up on this because you cannot beat this price and the coverage that it gives you. If you have harsh lines, as you see here, you can go back in with the beauty blender or whatever you use to do your foundation with and smooth that out and blend it in. So now I'm just going to prep my eyes for the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette that I grabbed is the All I See Is Magic. This palette has 15 shades. They come in satin, matte, and you get some metallics in here. I thought this was a nice warm tone palette that you can create many looks with. The first shade I'm going to go in with is called Imperial. It's a nice copper color, a warm orange color. I think these warm copper colors are the perfect transition shades for deeper skin tones. They blend into almost any color. So now I'm going into the shade Top Notch and I'm also going to put that in my crease just below that Imperial color. I'm also going to smoke it out a bit on the edge of my eyelid, the outer edge. So now I'm using my favorite product to carve out my eyelid, which is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. And then I'm taking the shade Twinkle Toes and I am going to put that in my inner lid. I know that transition shade Top Notch is looking a hot mess up there, but I do go back and blend that later. Yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and also hit the like button. So now I'm going in with the color Wishful Thinking and I'm going to place that right in the center of my eyelid. When I reach 8,000 subscribers, I think I'm going to do a giveaway and I'm also going to do a get to know me video. So now I'm going into the color Never Never and I am going to put that on my outer lid right on top of that Top Notch color. Originally I didn't plan on putting a color there, but I don't like how it's looking without a deeper color. So now it's time to blend all of that in. So I'm just blending for life. So the blush that I found on their website that I like is called Birthday Suit. It is a neutral pink color. I felt this would be perfect for my skin tone. This is my first time ever using ColourPop products, so I absolutely love them. I don't know why, but now I am a fan. So the highlighter I'm using is called Flexitarian. It is a nice white champagne shade. I find this gives you the perfect glow for the winter time. And the lip gloss that I chose off their website is in the shade Misbehaving. It's a nice pink satin lip color. And this completes the look. If y'all enjoyed this video, do not forget to leave me a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Until next time, bye.